Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Kevin, you Larry, say Shark fishing tornado cares what it for intentional adoption Mr. Wonderful thinks that crypto need more regulation and less crypto cowboys. Like tornado cares tornado Alexi positive who he suggested was a necessary service to create stability for institutional inflows, clamping down on crypto acquisition that mess with the primal forecast of regulation is necessary, said certain hosts and millionaire venture capitalist Kevin O'Leary who argued that tornado cash and similar services are preventing real institutional capital from coming into the space. In a discussion of crypto venture on Saturday, O'Leary also known as Mr. Wonderful suggested that allocation like Atom by the crypto mixture tomorrow cash are part of a crypto cowboy culture that seldom have a place in the industry. Instead, O'Leary is the view that crypto needs rules-based environment in order to raise real international capital into the digital asset industry, and much of that regular need to stem out protocol like Tornado Cash, which another answer to a naked, anonymous, the transition and trivial potential against any criminal attack active in the discussion already. Larry didn't back down on his opinion regarding the access of the Tornado Cash creator Alexei citing. At the end of the age, it's okay to arrest that guy. Why? Is amazing with the primal podcast regulation. If we have to service him, that's okay because we want to have some stability in that industrial capital. The future capitals said that institutional interest in the digital asset sector continues that until to interest that arena is going to touch it will crypto cowboy and reading that fans real passion until we get rid of this crap. There will be no stability in industrial capital, but he believes that the industry is slowly but surely weeding out the cowboy. I think we're getting to that stage now. Maybe in the trade on ports leaning towards that, but I'm tired of this crypto cowboy crap. I want to get involved in a red regulation place where we can bring billions of dollars to work. I don't need to be a cowboy. I don't want to be it because I work in the regular world. Thank you very much. Thank you for attention. And then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you next time.